Hello and welcome to Knowledge Trains. So we did learn what is virtualization, which is a great way for those who are like beginners and they want to learn the concept first. So let's just start downloading one of the virtualization softwares called VirtualBox, which is free. So in order to download that, we can actually go to google.com or we can go through virtualbox.org. So once you go here, you can simply type VirtualBox and then it will take you to the different links that you can see here. Basically, the first link is where you can download, and if you scroll down, you can see there are multiple different video trainings on YouTube where it actually tells you how to install VirtualBox on like Kali Linux and then different operating systems. So if you would like to learn more and more about VirtualBox in depth, you can go through here. And then one other thing that you can see here is that there are different sites where you can see, for example, TechSpot, and then like if you would like to actually get some support, you would like to join the community, you can just go through these links and then see and learn more and more about VirtualBox. Once I click on virtualbox.org, you can see that the very latest version that we have right now is 6.0. At the right hand side, you can see that you have news about different releases and different things. So if you want to keep yourself up to date, it is from Oracle. And then one other thing that you can see here is like we have downloads, we have screenshots, documentations, and then community if you would like to join. I will click on download VirtualBox 6.0 and then you can see that VirtualBox comes in different platforms, packages for different platforms. And it is for Windows, Mac operating system, Linux, Solaris. So basically, if you have a Mac operating system, you can download VirtualBox too. I will click on Windows host. It will download the VirtualBox for Windows operating systems. Once the download is complete, click on the package, installation package, and then it will start the installation wizard. So basically the installation is very easy. All you need to do is click next, next, and go through some options. After clicking next, it is just giving me the location if you would like to install VirtualBox on your C drive. But when creating different virtual machines, you can choose different locations where you can install your operating systems there. Click on next, and then these are different options for shortcuts, creating icons, and then next. One of the important things that I want to mention in here is that if you're working for a company and you're running this VirtualBox installation package into one of the servers where everyone is connecting, and it needs to be live 24/7, just an example, I don't think it will ever happen that someone will actually install VirtualBox in such server. But this will actually reset your network connection, and for like few seconds, your network will be down on that server. So just make sure. But we are installing this in our operating system, which is like our own computer, so we should not have any issues. The installation will continue, and should not take much time. All right, so installation is done. Start VirtualBox, yes, press on finish, and then it will open the VirtualBox console for us. So this is VirtualBox console, and you can see that I'm gonna give you a general overview of this VirtualBox manager that we have. We have file menu, we have machine, and we have help. So basically when you want to create a new virtual machine, you can click from here. If you want to add existing one, you can add from here. If you would like to import an appliance, like virtual appliance, you can do that from here. And then you can also export. If you click on preferences, you can simply set different options in here. For example, for input, and you have like different shortcuts that you can create. So If you want to create, instead of just clicking, you can create your own shortcuts on the updates. You can click check to check for the updates every day. For example, on the language, you can select different languages. Display network, you can add different network virtual networks in here, like whenever needed, and simply proxy settings. So you can pretty much work with it, and it's a simple console where you can do many different things.